Baby girl, I need that fan, cause I'm hot now. Bitch, give me the recipe, the shit again.
Hi everyone, it's Adyel here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a pretty requested video ever since I started doing this little technique, I guess you could say, to my lips. I've been getting a ton of questions from you guys asking me if I got lip filler. And I mentioned this technique in videos before, but I figured I would do an in-depth tutorial of how I make my lips look fuller and plumper, how I line my lip, my go-to lip combo, things like that. So I thought maybe some of you would like to see this video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up to let me know how you like it. It also helps my channel out a lot. Leave me a comment down below letting me know your favorite lip combo. And also, if you haven't already subscribed and turned on my post notifications, please be sure to do so. It was such a fun time around here and I would love it if you stuck around. We have a lot of fun content coming. But yeah, if you want to see my little lip technique, then please keep on watching. Okay, so my eyes and face are done and now it's time to move on to the lips. So first things first, the thing that changed the lip game for me is lip liner. I never used to be big on lip liner. I don't know why. I never really found it necessary. One day I had completely no makeup on and I was bored and I was like, I wonder how big I can make my lips look with lip liner. And I looked absolutely insane, but then I was like, wait, I'm gonna try this with makeup. And it actually worked. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in for this. This is my little secret. Of course, overlining lips has always been a thing, and I'm able to make my lips look really big because they already have like a slight upward pout. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I lip line my lips. Before I zoom you guys in though, I wanna show you guys my 3 favorite lip liners. I love these LA Girl Perfect Precision lip liners. They are some of my absolute favorites. My all-time favorite is in the color Bear. This is like my go-to. But if I'm doing a darker lip, I use Cafe. And if I'm using a lighter lip, I'll use Flesh. I have a ton of lip liners, but I always gravitate back to these 3. Okay, so we're really zoomed in now. So this one's my color Bear. I'm just sharpening this. So I'm going to try and explain as best as I possibly can how I do this. So usually I'll start with the bottom lip. So here's the natural line. So with the bottom lip, usually you want to contour underneath your lip because it'll give the illusion that it's kind of like folded down. So I start at the middle and I draw this line. So automatically it makes my bottom lip look powderier. Then I'll kind of drag it, that line, straight up to the corner of my lip. So there we have it. And if you wanted, you can go ahead and take Cafe right in the middle to give that super pouty lip. So now for the top lip, here's the line. What I do, it's kind of like a motion, so I'm just gonna do the motion for you guys. So you just saw that, and as you can clearly see the difference, I basically go from the center and I kind of like extend my mouth as the pencil is rolling. So this is the way that I get the most natural finish, the most natural overline, because my natural lip, wherever your lip is pushing the lip liner, that's kind of as far as you could get away with it. So I'm gonna do to the other one. So there you have it. Automatically they look so much fuller, so much plumper. They have a ton of more life, kind of look like injection. I'll go back in and I'll precise this line, and I'll also fill in, make sure that the natural line. You could also take, so this is Flesh, this is the lighter one. I'll take it around here to give it even more definition. So here we are. So then for lipstick, sometimes I'll go with a gloss. You could pop Fenty gloss right over it and that's perfect. My favorite matte stick lipstick and the combo that you guys always ask me about is this lip liner with MAC's Velvet Teddy. That's like my classic nude. But I also love Dose of Color's Minnie Mouse Collection Beautiful, which I think I'm gonna put on right now. Here it is. I love this color to death. I'm gonna put it on. I like to fill the lip line all over so that it's easier to just apply the liquid lipstick. So I'll put it in the center and then feather it out. And there you have it. Here's the final lip look. Honestly, I can never do a makeup look without it. I feel like it really evens out my lips, and then even when I smile, it looks really full. It's a little bit harder when you're using like bright colors or glosses and stuff like that, but I always recommend using like a brown contour shade first before you apply like your red or your orange or your purple or anything like that, just so that it looks as natural as possible. If I close my lips, I'm going to show you guys, you could see how much I overline. So yeah, it's just a little trick, especially if you don't want to go the lengths to get lip filler. This technique has really helped me achieve fuller, plumper lips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comments and if this helped you out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.